Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to limit CPU usage during a Windows Defender scan in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Windows Defender Antivirus. Click Scan. Specify the maximum percentage of CPU utilization during a scan. Check Enabled. Change percentage of CPU utilization. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.